Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to Honor 400 Pro. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Now click on the same options in both apps to set them up. Begin by clicking on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, Allow in first pop-up and Allow all in the second one. Then tap on wherever you want to in all the other ones. Following that, hit Send at the bottom left corner of your Android, which in this case is Google Pixel, and receive right next to Send at the bottom of Honor. Also on Google Pixel, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a couple just for example. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some deep pop-up. And decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers before they expire. And then hit Receive button to connect. Wherever you decided, just wait, and when your transfer is done, close all visible ads. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!